Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to view clipboard history in Windows 11. If you have copied multiple pieces of text and want to find them again without copying them one by one, this feature can be very useful. So let's get started. First, open any app where you can type text. Now press the Windows key and the V key together on your keyboard. A clipboard history window will appear on the screen. Here, you will see all the text that you have recently copied. You can simply click on any item from the list to paste it instantly. This means you do not have to go back and copy the same text again. If clipboard history is turned off, Windows may ask you to enable it first. Simply click Turn On and the feature will start working. From now on, whenever you copy text, Windows will save it in your clipboard history. This can save a lot of time when working with multiple pieces of text. So this is how you can view clipboard history in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.